Hello and welcome to Small Talk with Jim Giordano. Researching overlooked, unknown, and underfollowed microcaps. Small Talk is heard exclusively on the Business Talk Radio Network and the Lifestyle Talk Radio Network. As always, we are streamed live at businesstalkradio.net for your listening pleasure, or you can check out an archive of this show online as well. And now, your host, Jim Giordano.
Hey, everyone. Today, rather than looking at an unknown or underfollowed microcap company, we have invited an analyst from Opus Group Research to join me on the show. Small Talk, in conjunction with Opus Group Research, looks to provide you with factual, professional insight into companies you may not be aware of in the marketplace today. If after our show you wish to learn more about what you've heard, go to opusgroupresearch.com and see what free complimentary reports you might find of interest. Sign up for free updates about companies covered by the analysts at Opus. Many of the analysts are CFA certified and all adhere to CFA guidelines when preparing research. Here at Small Talk, we bring you informative, objective reporting, interviews with knowledgeable people, and management of today's promising micro and nano cap companies. For a list of upcoming companies and guests on the show, go to opusgroupresearch.com and click on Small Talk. If you wish to call in with a question, you can reach me at the station at 203-978-0677. Also, if you want to email me with a question or think you know a company or person that our listeners would like to learn and hear about, contact me at smalltalk@opusgroupresearch.com. And now let's welcome Ted Kim, a certified financial analyst at Opus.
Hello, Jimmy. How are you?
Good, Ted. How are you today?
Just fine, thank you.
Ted, I decided I wanted to invite you on the show because I believe there's enormous opportunities in the microcap arena. But for investors to make informed decisions, I think they really need to do their homework, and they must be aware of many risks that are out there. And I was hoping that you as an analyst could shed some light for our listeners on what the good and bad signs or signals are that you look for in companies. But before we start, could you tell us a little bit about yourself and how you came to become a CFA analyst?
Sure. Well, I started my career after coming out of law school in London. I worked as a financial journalist in Europe covering a variety of sectors, particularly in the emerging markets, where certainly in the late 90s, most all corporates were small caps. Now a lot of them are huge multi-billion-dollar conglomerates. I came back to the United States in 1999. I worked at Citigroup. I worked at Morgan Stanley. I worked in a research capacity at a startup hedge fund, so I'm very familiar with the day-to-day operations of small hedge funds and what they look for. And most recently, I was a research director at an independent outsourced research firm supplying research to a variety of buy-side and sell-side Wall Street firms.
So let's just start to get right into some of these questions I have for you today. What areas do you find yourself most comfortable and have the greatest proficiency in?